You want me to put Sophie on your lap? I don't think Sophie wants to be over there on your lap. Why don't you sing us a song? Sing us a song. Oh, you're squishing me. Oh my God. Oh no. You're squishing me. Oh, you're holding your baby.
It's all nice and thoroughly coated. You can go ahead and taste it, and if it needs more sugar or anything, now's the time to adjust. I'm going to go with that. It's tomatoes are also not entirely fine. Because tomatoes are tied called pit, which is literally translated
You look sleepy.
for an egg. Okay, so finally, I'm going to turn this off. Toss in some green onions for some freshness, and almost forgot.
You're such a good little mama. Here. Here, Sophie. There you go. Can you get it? Here. Turn it you're turning it the wrong way. You're turning it the wrong way. This way. Pretty girls. Oh, yours are falling off. There you go. Be nice. Sophie, say cheese. You say cheese, Alana. Show me your big teeth. Well, like a smile. Yeah, there we go. Beautiful, beautiful girls. Did you fix it? Cool. So is this my trailer now?
Yes.
Cool. Did you help, Sophie? You fixed it. I'm just walking in it. Your lime is falling out of your pocket. Get in that one. Whoa. Your feet sunk way down. Are they stuck? Are your feet stuck? And there's the kitty. Oh, nope, you're not stuck. Nope, Alana, stay over here. Whoa, big splashes. Max, come here. Come here, Max. You got the cat. Walk with the cat. You gonna show it to Sophie? Oh, look, Sophie's excited. I know what you want. Turn around. Be easy. Be easy. Good boy, Max. Come on. Sit down with the kitty. You gotta let it go. Let it go. The cat wants to go.
I don't want them to look over here.
And then we all went to
and watch this.
we all went to Subway later, and he sat with Zeke and Sammy. Sammy's 12. He's Pastor Sean's youngest.
Mom.
Yeah.
I wanted to go to Zeke's house.
Well, you did.
Oh, I'm sure you did. You want to go to everybody's house.
No.
Well, they want him to too.
Crawl like a cat. Here, kitty, kitty. You gonna get out? Here. Oh. Here, kitty, 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 kitty. Here, kitty, kitty, kitty. That cat is hiding from you girls. Oh my God. Sophie, get out of the bush. She said, I'm going to get to you. Go down! Hurry, hurry! This way, Alana. Go down the slide. Hurry!
Don't make me fall.
You're gonna fall. You going fast? Yeah, you see that girl? Go run her to the wall. Oh my God. You ran her toes into something. Ah. She's, don't hit her. Don't be nice. Be nice. Be nice. Hey, you push, Sophie, you push Alana. You push Alana now. You push Alana. Come here. You do it. You do it, Sophie. Well, she pushed you into the door, too. Oh, she was sleeping, Sophie. That wasn't very nice. And then you're going to tattle on her? Did your sister wake you up? That wasn't very nice. Did you have a nice nap? You want some pizza rolls? Okay. I like your song. Mm-hmm. Brand new. Say it's brand new, Alana.
It's brand new.
I kind of want to put my colors plate on the front.
I own an umbrella. The only thing that I want at Kmart, but it's not coming down very much. It's settling down a little bit.
You're doing laundry. Are you helping? Will you let me put you down? No. No? Can I put you down? You can help do laundry? Nope. Where's Sophie? There she is. Where's Sophie? There she is. Where'd you go? Sophie! Sophie, where'd you go? There you are. You're so... Sophie! Sophie, where are you? There you are! Sophie! Where's Sophie? Where's Sophie? Where? Peekaboo! I'm not getting much laundry done. Where's Sophie? Where's Sophie? Oh! There you are! Oh, your baby. Your baby. Are you rocking your baby? You silly goose. Ah. Yeah. Woo! You go down the slide, Soph. You go. Hurry, hurry. Sophie. Sophie. Go down the slide. Yay, Sophie! You have more sand on my carpet than you do in your sandbox. Mmm. Don't really put it in your mouth though, because it's sand. It's sand in your coffee cup. Don't really, just pretend. What are you eating, Alana? What is it? A cantaloupe? Say cantaloupe.
Say booty up.
Hey, dude.